We got here a Mercedes has been vandalized. You can see the dents right there, really sharp dents. We got Noah here working on the headliner. There is some dents on the roof, really sharp, small little dings. We're gonna have to drop the headliner and fix this hood over here, the door and the fender. That's the access point, hand tool. That's for this sharp dent right here. This dent is really sharp, really deep. I just got a tool on it and it's not moving. So it might be scratched. I don't know yet. This is aluminum under the brace, so it's gonna be hard to shrink. I have to see. I'll show you the process. Applying heat. You can see on the top screen, that's how I'm working on the car. I'm skipping this video and moving fast forward. But you can see knocking down, pushing the centers, always trying to eliminate that center part. Make sure you stay in the center always when pushing a sharp dent like this, because if you go on the sides, you might create more damage. And sometimes it can become a mess, especially on aluminum. You get unexpected low sometimes on the sides like it is right now. I'm just pushing the sides up again. This is a fast forward video. There's a little texture there. Once you sand and polish, that will come off. But my main goal right now is making the metal flat again, pushing the little center out as much as I can. Especially on aluminum, sometimes they don't come off. The little center remains there. This is me working. And this is the final results here. Like I said before, this car was vandalized and somebody hit with the hammer, really sharp. And you can see the little remaining there, very minor. The results came out really nice, all paintless and done in one day. Thanks for watching.